Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 2 of economics, that is sectors of Indian economies. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the various economic activities. But before discussing that, you should know what are the economic activities. The economic activities are those activities which are done by the people to earn the income, to earn the livelihood, or to earn profit. Some may be producing goods while some other may be delivering or providing the services. These all economic activities, they are classified into different groups, and these such groups are known as sectors of Indian economy. These sectors of economic, they can be classified on the basis of nature of economic activities into three types. First, primary sector activities. Second, secondary sector activities. And third one is tertiary sector activities. First of all, we are going to discuss the primary sector activities. The economic activities which are connected with the extraction and production of natural resources, or we can say the economic activities which are done by harnessing the nature, which are done by using the natural resources, which produce the goods by using natural resources. For example, agriculture, fishing, mining, forestry, all these falls under primary sector activities. All these are the examples of primary sector activities. Hence, these are related to nature and they are very important. That's why they are also known as agriculture and related to sectors. Another one is secondary sector activities. The economic activities which are related to the manufacturing process, or we can say that in which the goods are converted, raw material are change their form into finished goods, and all this work is done in industries. Hence it is also known as industrial sector. So some example of this activity are manufacturing of steel, cotton from cotton balls, sugar from sugar cane. What are tertiary sector activities? The economic activities that are mostly based on providing services to the society, like transportation, banking, insurance. All of you have seen so many people in our society are there who help us. They are our helpers. They help in doing our work, like cyber cafe, ATM, postman, policeman. All these people help us and they provide the services, like teacher, doctor, lawyer. All these are the helpers, or these are the people who provide the services. So these activities are also known as tertiary sector activities. Hence these activities provide the services. So its another name is service sector also.